Tell us about Teads and your news about display and why you're doing it and where that's going.
Basically, we own the space between paragraphs, and we've been using that space to deliver video, and we've been very successful at it. So we thought, why don't we try to also fill it with display, since half of the budget are display. And we have used the same concept as when we launched the video. We grew so much because we've been delivering viewable only ads, and we're going to do the same with viewable only display ads. Exactly the same way. We're going to sell those formats at 3 or 5 seconds viewable, and which is huge if you consider that the average in the industry is, I think, 9% of the impressions get above 1 second. They get more than 1 second of viewability. And we're going to sell at 3 or 5. So I think we're going to be as successful as we have been for video. The idea of that is to grow, obviously, but especially to increment our fill rate with our publishers. Right now we're bringing them video budgets. We would love to bring them display budgets now, and maybe soon some performance budgets. That's also, we're working on that, start trying and testing.
So what is the, I'm sure there'll be different flavors of the display, but what do you expect to see? How might that start? And are the creative opportunities different for the brand, for the advertisers, or are they just sort of repurposed display that they have?
It's a bit of everything. So what we do, we acquired Brainiant, which is now Teads Studio, which is our creative arm. And what we're trying to do is to make display more viewable and more engaging. So long story short, I just told to one CMO actually 5 minutes ago, look, you're going to please give me not only the 30-second copy that you use for TV, but all those little pieces that your creative agency is giving you, like all the typos, all the graphics, etc. And I'm going to build a display format that is going to be engaging. And by doing that, we're going to get this viewability that we don't usually get in display. And I think it's going to work. So far, the tests are brutal. Again, if you consider that 9% of the impressions will get at more than 1 second viewability, and our average is 9 seconds. It's pretty exciting.
So tell us what's going on with this new in-read display, and what brands are using it and how they're using it.
So I mean, we're working with a bunch of brands right now, but we have some excellent examples and creatives running right now. One is, for example, with Axe with Unilever, and it's this guy. Which is it's a picture of a guy which is like that, and when you scroll, he's going to look at you right in the eyes. And I mean, I'm waiting for the results. That's going to be spectacular. Or we have Burger King with this promotion in which they give for free a Whopper if you arrive with a clown outfit, and we have simply an ad which is completely pitch black, and while you scroll on it, you have this awful clown that's getting visible, and it's really spooky as well. I mean, the point is, those are really engaging ads, and then no video, they're just pure display. The only thing is we took several pieces from the mix that a creative agency gives to the client, and we just put them together on a nice and engaging way. And it's very simple, but it works extremely well. So, and less is more, so hopefully that's going to work.